I come from a long line of doctors. My dad was an internal medicine doctor. I saw how my dad really loved his patients and served his community. He taught me service, he taught me client care, and that's translated into my practice here as an attorney. I started the firm in 1992. My brother, Beach, joined me in 1996, and we've been together ever since.
Community is a big foundation of our firm. My dad and my uncle have done a great job of helping the community in Winter Haven and Polk County. And as a second generation, I feel a great honor and privilege to carry on the tradition they have of giving back to the community as a whole. And now that Tampa's my home, I want to make sure I carry on the legacy that they've created and make that legacy grow to all of Central Florida.
I was coming out of my apartment. When I stepped down, I fell down and hit my spine on the sidewalk. I obtained a lawyer, and it took 5 years. Not really any return phone calls from this attorney. Didn't know really what was going on. 3 surgeries went by during that 5-year period, and I had to find somebody else. My husband and I went to a charitable event that Brooks Law Group was at, and he picked up the case, and it definitely didn't take another 5 years. He was on, like Johnny on the spot. Let's go, let's do this. I felt like this was a family, and it was a burden that they took from me.
Our focus is not only on doing a great legal job, but it's about the experience. Early on, when we formed the firm, we made a conscious decision, and we were very intentional about it, that we were going to live and operate by a set of core values and a mission statement. The mission statement is to provide the best client experience possible, and the core values all support that. We would love for our family, my brother, his son, the rest of our 30 staff, to help you, to guide you. We want to take that burden from you. That's a desire from our heart. Let our family help your family.